Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. This is our first book, Farm Animals. How many animals can you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, there are 7 animals. But they look so small. Do you want to see the big one? Okay, now let's open it. Magic, magic, magic. Oops! What do you see here? The dog. I see the dog. And what does a dog say? Does a dog say meow meow or woof woof? Yes, a dog says woof woof woof. Then we say bye bye dog. Bye bye dog. What do you see here? The pig. What does a pig say? Oink, oink, oink. Yeah, that's right. A pig says oink, oink, oink. Then we say bye bye pig, bye bye. Then the next one, what do you see here? The chicken. Chicken. And what does a chicken say? Cluck, cluck, cluck. Do you like the chicken? Then we have to say bye to it. Bye bye chicken. Chicken bye. And then the next one. Ooh, the goat. The goat. Oh, look. And there's a flower. Do you see? Beautiful flower. The goat. What does a goat say? The goat says, meh, 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 meh. A goat says, meh, meh, meh. Oh, look, the next one. Wow, it's very big and you can drink milk. What's that? It produces milk. What's that? Yes, it's the cow. And what does a cow say? A cow says, moo, 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 moo. This is the cow. I like the cow. Do you like it? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay, then we say bye-bye, cow. The next one. Wow, it's a yellow duck. The duck. Wow, the duck is so happy. And what does a duck say? A duck says, quack, quack, quack. Wow, so lovely. Then we say bye-bye, duck. Bye-bye. Oh, this one. Ba, 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 ba. What is it? The sheep. The sheep says ba, ba, ba. Do you like the sheep? It looks so cute. Okay, the next one. Wow. I see many animals. Yes. Oh, you see, they look the same, right? Which one do you like? Which one do you like most? Maybe you can tell Lily. Okay, bye.